Hello, this is Danielle from Someone's Mum, and today what are we playing with today?
Baby things.
Baby things. We have got a baby born here. We've got baby born, and we've got a new baby born accessory, which is a wash basin and sink. On Someone's Mum at the moment, we are actually giving away this toy, both the baby born dolly, which comes with some accessories like the bottle, and also the wash basin, which is actually interactive. So we're going to have a bit of a play today, and if you like what you see, 1 second, sweet pea, do join the giveaway on Someone's Mum. Okay, so what we're going to do first?
Yeah.
Do you want to feed her?
Yeah.
Right, so if we take this bit off, we should, and take her dummy out.
Yeah.
There we go.
Take
Now,
her
she
dummy.
does actually wee-wee. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Right, look, if you squeeze that drink into her mouth, there we go. Right, you've got to make sure you get it right inside the little hole. There you go. And you give it a bit of a squeeze, then she will actually drink it.
No.
She will, look. See, she's drinking.
Yeah. Ah, she's a good baby.
She's a good baby, is she? You keep feeding her.
I think that's enough water.
You think so?
Yeah.
I wonder what will happen, though. What happens if you drink too much?
You start to burp.
You might do. Babies definitely burp when they drink milk. Mummy knows that. I wonder if she might do a wee wee. Do you think?
Yeah, I think
She drinks all of her feed.
Yeah.
Hi Willow. You go to your bed, please. Bed.
I have to feed her.
Willow, bed.
There.
You gonna feed her? Okay, that's good. What is she eating today?
She's eating custards with yummy sauce.
Custard with yummy sauce. That sounds amazing. I think I'd like some of that.
Yeah, when you were a baby, Danielle.
When I was a baby Danielle, yeah. Who do you think fed me my food when I was baby Danielle?
You had custard, don't you?
I only had custard.
Yeah.
Probably true. Who do you think fed me the custard?
If you teddy bear, I should give. I give you food.
You give me, but you weren't born when I was a baby. Who fed me my food? Who's my mummy?
This is it. What is it?
My mummy and daddy would have fed me my food. Who are my mummy and daddy?
Is it? I don't know. Granddad and Granny.
I think you're right, yes.
Yeah, they feed you some food when you were a baby.
They did. That's a parent's job, isn't it? Mummies and daddies look after babies.
I think she needs a wee wee, Mummy.
Should we have a look and see if she's done a wee wee? I don't know whether it comes through right
Oh
away
yeah,
or not.
yeah.
It hasn't. Oh no, it is. It's wet.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she's done a wee wee.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look, it's still coming out. There we go, just like a real baby. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Oh goodness. Well, I wonder, do you think she's big enough to try the potty yet? Did she sit on a potty like you do? Oh look, there's some going in the potty now as well.
Silly baby.
Silly baby. We don't want her to fall over, do we?
Yeah.
Think she needs her dummy?
Yeah.
Yeah, she put her dummy.
Yeah. You don't want to get her crying.
No, we wouldn't want her to cry. We want to keep her happy. That's what mummies and daddies do, don't they? They do their best to look after their babies so they stay happy.
Yeah. To keep the babies not cry, you need dummies.
Well, sometimes they do. Not all babies. Some babies don't like dummies.
Yeah. Naughty babies don't eat.
Naughty babies don't. I don't think that's true. I think just some babies like dummies and some babies don't. Right, so we don't have another nappy at the moment, so let's just make sure that she's finished her wee wee. I think she has. Look at that. I wonder if she's potty trained now, like you. You're a big girl, aren't you? You're potty trained. You don't need nappies anymore. Do you remember when you had nappies?
No, now let's brush her teeth.
Oh, that's a good idea. Now we have this new accessory for baby born, which is a wash basin, and it's interactive and does all sorts of things, doesn't it, sweetheart? So let's bring this a bit closer so that we can see it. There we go. We'll put our bowl aside. Look.
See the camera?
What happens when you push the tap? Can you show us? You push it down. What happens?
You get toothpaste.
It gets real water, doesn't it? It's like a real sink. Real water comes out. Isn't that amazing?
Oh, yeah, that's...
You're going to brush her teeth then? Do you think she's got teeth yet?
No, not yet.
Are we going to try and brush her teeth anyway?
Yeah.
Alright, you give them a go then. Why is it important to brush your teeth?
Because you don't want to get your teeth black and fall out.
That's true, you don't. What do you get sometimes if you don't brush your teeth very carefully?
And so eat them.
You eat your teeth, yeah, well you get cavities, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to brush your teeth to stop them.
Yeah, so we best brush her teeth to make sure she doesn't get cavities.
Yeah.
That's another thing that a responsible mummy or
I
daddy
think
does.
that's enough chums.
Okay. I think she might need a little drink to wash her mouth out, although you're not meant to do that after you've had toothpaste, are you? You're meant to keep the toothpaste in your mouth for a little while, so that the fluoride starts working. Oh, look. Oh, she's got a cup of water. I think she's big enough for a big drink. We could probably make her drink out of there as well, although she'll do another wee-wee then. We pour this back into the sink, and it will dribble down back into the tap.
Yeah, back into your tap. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Now, just need one more water. My baby's teeth is nice and clean.
Oh, good. That's lovely. Put this back here.
Yeah.
So it's got lights around it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And it plays a song. And the tap works just like a real tap. Wow, splishy splashy noises. Okay, don't get too wet. What do you think baby wants to do now?
Get a bath.
Well, maybe, but we would have to go and find a bath. Maybe she's sleepy. Have you given her a name?
I think his name is called Googie.
Googie?
Yeah.
That's an unusual choice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think she's sleepy yet?
Not yet. We have to brush our teeth so my baby's teeth is nice and cute.
Yeah. You should brush your teeth before going to bed, shouldn't you? When do you brush your teeth?
At the sink.
Yeah, and what times of day? When do you do it?
To your germs eat them, you get cavities.
Cavities, that's right. You have to do it twice, don't you? Once in the morning.
And once in the night.
You are exactly right, Clever Bean. Yes.
Now, baby, it's not time for you to go to sleep yet.
Is it not? Perhaps she's sleepy though. Little babies have a nap, don't they, in the daytime?
Nap. She's always to sleep.
You think? We've got this towel. We could use this as her bed, couldn't we, if you want to?
Yeah.
Do you think you might rock her to sleep?
Yeah.
Do you think she needs to go to sleep yet?
This could be a pillow, and my towel could be a blanket, and she's comfy, cozy in bed.
Oh, she would be comfy cozy then, wouldn't she? I think you're right.
I think that would be a real, wasn't it?
Yeah. So she's got an actual little dummy clip, hasn't she?
Yeah.
I don't think we've taken this off before because it's still got the thing on. There we go, and she's got
Look
a
at
proper
that!
dummy clip.
Dummy.
I hope it's one of the safe dummy clips. Because some of them aren't safe. Yeah, so you used to have dummy clips. You used to have the safe ones. Look, you can clip this to her clothes so she doesn't lose her dummy. There you go. Right, do you think she's ready for sleeping yet?
Not yet. How to brush her teeth.
Well,
Now-
you have already brushed your teeth though. Are you going to do it again? That's a noise like brushing your teeth, isn't it?
Oh, there's no water. I think we need some more water to get it all full.
Well, because the thing is you can't put it in the cup because it has to run back in. Once it runs back in, when it fills the tap, you see, look. I think it's time we put her to bed now, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
I
right,
think
so
she's sleeping now.
you think that she probably needs a nap. What happens when you lie her down to have, you rock her like a baby, and we'll see what happens. What happens?
Is she
What happens to her eyes?
cute?
Yeah, shouldn't that mean she's sleepy?
Yeah.
Oh, you're very good at rocking her.
She's, watch out, Mummy. It's out. Her eye is opening.
You being careful, we're going to put her to sleep in this bed. Put her legs down. Okay.
Yeah. Don't forget, that's not a. That will be. That's right. She's got everything he needs. But Mummy, there's one thing you forgot.
What did we forget?
Also, you go to sleep before bedtime. You have a bath.
Well, you do when you go to sleep at night time. You and Edward have a bath, don't you? But this baby is just having a nap. You didn't used to have a bath every time you had a nap.
Mummy.
Well, maybe we'll give her a wash when she
Look
wakes
at
up.
Mummy, I'm in your funny mirror.
You are. Can you see yourself? What can you see?
I can see my funny face.
Your funny face. Right then, she should probably be quiet because the baby's sleeping. How about you sing her our special song that we sing when we go to sleep? Can you sing her "You Are My Sunshine"?
Is it Mummy? I can do a special baby song.
I'd love it if you sang "You Are My Sunshine" for her. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Oh, that'll do. We just need the one little first bit. Oh, that was beautiful. Right then, should we say bye-bye? How much did you like playing with your new baby born dolly?
First, one more thing is missing.
What?
A story to her.
Okay, well maybe we'll do a story in a minute. Do you like playing with your new baby?
Well, maybe it's when Stick Man. Next we all do it at bedtime.
Okay, we'll go and get Stick Man in a minute, okay? Do you like playing with your new baby?
Yeah.
Okay, right, we'll say bye-bye then.
Bye bye.